Hey, it's Coach Rick here. Today we're going to be talking about the fact that you've had the open house, people are interested, and now offer negotiations. You've got an offer that came in. Sometimes, if you have a really big open house, you might have multiple offers coming in, which means more than one. In that case, these days, the offers that are being accepted are the ones that basically have no or not many conditions. And at that point, if you get 5 offers coming in, it's really down to who's offering the most amount of money, and you take that one. If it's conditional, you've got another week or so to organize that. If it's non-conditional, take the highest price. You've sold the property. If you are getting one offer in, it's time for negotiations. This is the time to remember this is not an emotional decision. This is an investment property. Do not get emotionally involved. Every decision you make will be a business decision. Take a look at the closing dates. Obviously, you want as quickly as possible, and the property probably is vacant, so you can give them very quick closing. Price is obviously a negotiated part, and any conditions. You can negotiate with those too. If you have, for example, you have a property and it's listed for $400,000 and an offer comes in at $350,000, don't get upset. It's okay. At least you have an offer. At least you have something on the table and you can start negotiating. And the game of real estate is all about negotiations. So don't be afraid to sign it back. Don't be afraid if it's multiples to take the highest price. And one last thing, rely on your realtor. Hopefully your realtor is very experienced in negotiations of the offer, and look to them for advice. That's it for today. Thank you so much. We'll talk soon.